Preventing sewage backflow into a tiny house requires a focused backflow prevention plan tailored to the septic system and plumbing layout. Start by identifying every point where wastewater leaves the tiny house and where sewage could return. Then install a check valve on the pump discharge to stop reverse flow from the septic tank back into the living space. Choose a spring-loaded or swing check rated for sewage service and size it to match pipe diameter to avoid pump overload. Add a dedicated backflow preventer at the sewer connection point between the house and the septic inlet, selecting a gravity or hydraulic gate type designed for sewage applications and orienting it so debris cannot accumulate on the seat. Elevate internal floor drains by fitting a raised drain flange and installing a removable waterless trap seal to prevent sewer gas and low-volume backflow while keeping the drain usable. Fit backflow flap gates on exterior drainage inlets to protect against storm surge and surface runoff entering the septic inlet or house drains during heavy rain events. Use flexible couplings and accessible cleanouts on both sides of valves so you can clear blockages without cutting pipe and so maintenance can be performed quickly. Test all valves and check devices periodically by simulating back pressure with a controlled water source or following manufacturer test procedures, and replace any unit that leaks, hums, or shows delayed closing. Common issues include valve sticking from solids and grease buildup, which you can prevent by installing accessible cleanouts and scheduling routine flushing with biodegradable enzyme cleaners to break down residues, plus remove and service the valve if sticking recurs. Another frequent problem is incorrect valve sizing that causes pump cavitation or reduced flow, so confirm pipe and pump curves, and when in doubt, oversize the valve casing rather than undersize it to preserve pump life. A third concern is debris jamming backflow flaps or gates during storm events, so fit upstream debris screens, orient flap gates for self-cleaning when possible, and inspect after big storms to clear leaves and sediment. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and resources focused on home systems including tiny house plumbing and septic backflow solutions. We help contractors find work through our listings and maintain a discussion community where we and our members exchange installation tips, troubleshooting steps, and product recommendations.